Good morning, class. Yesterday we have started the chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. In this we read yesterday what is respiration, what are the two phases of respiration, and what these phases are divided into. Today we are going to start external respiration or breathing. External respiration is a phase of respiration. It is also known as breathing. So let's see what the paragraph says. Breathing is simply exchange of gases, whereby oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out by an organism. Now breathing is simply the exchange of gases, exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. That is, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. It is a physical or mechanical process. इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस. नाउ ब्रीदिंग कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हम अपने मन से ब्रीथ करते हैं. लाइक वी टेक इन ऑक्सीजन for 5 seconds and give out carbon dioxide for 5 seconds and then we can rest. No, this is not the process. It is a continuous process and physical and a mechanical process. It goes on forever. It goes on throughout the life. External respiration or breathing involves inspiration or inhalation and aspiration or exhalation. Now, external respiration or breathing, in other words, involves inspiration, that is taking in of oxygen, and aspiration, giving out of CO2. Inspiration or inhalation is taking in of oxygen from the air through the respiratory organs such as lungs, skin, gills, etc. Now, the chapter is about respiration in organisms. We will be talking about different organisms. So, inspiration is the process of taking in oxygen by different respiratory organs. हर ऑर्गेनिज्म में रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन अलग अलग होते हैं. लाइक इन ह्यूमंस इट इज़ लंग्स, इन सम ऑर्गेनिजम्स इट इज़ स्किन, इन फिशेज इट इज़ गिल्स. सो inspiration or inhalation can be done through respiratory organ which are different in different organisms, and aspiration or exhalation is given out of carbon dioxide from the body through the respiratory organ. Now the work of respiratory organ is same, taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. So this is performed by respiratory organ which are lungs in human beings, skin in some organisms, and gills in fishes. नेक्स्ट इज़ ब्रीदिंग रेट. नाउ आपने कभी ऐसा नोटिस नहीं करा होगा कि कभी आपकी व्हेन यू टेक अ ब्रेथ या व्हेन वी टेक इन ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव आउट CO2 कि कभी हमारा प्रोसेस बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ हो गया है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड अप हो गया है, एंड कभी हमारा प्रोसेस बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो हो गया है. वो तब केसेस में होता है जब हम कुछ वर्कआउट करते हैं, एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं. तो इसे हम ब्रीदिंग रेट कहते हैं. ये हमारी ब्रीथ का फास्ट या स्लो होना ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है, या फिर कोई ऐसा पैटर्न जो हमारी ब्रेथ को कंट्रोल करता है. सो दैट इज दिस पैराग्राफ अबाउट. The number of times a person breathe in and breathe out per minute is known as breathing rate. Now, in a minute, that is per minute, in a minute, the number of times we take in oxygen and we give out CO2 is what is known as breathing rate. You can also count your breathing rate by holding your breath per minute. On an average, an adult human breathe in and out 15 to 18 times per minute. Now, on an average count, count of a human being per minute is given, that is 15 to 18 times a minute. Breathing rate changes according to the requirement of oxygen of our body. Now, breathing rate changes according to the requirement of oxygen by our body. Like when we work out or when we do exercises, when we perform exercises, then the oxygen needed by our body is much more than the normal oxygen we breathe in. So this depends on the breathing rate will depend on the amount of oxygen we need. Let us perform an activity to find out breathing rate under different situations. Now, here's an activity given for you. In this, you can perform it yourself. You have to count your breathing rate while doing particular activities. That is, first at rest. At rest, you can count your activity. At rest, you can count your breath for 1 minute. You can count how much oxygen you have taken in and how much CO2 you have given out. Next is while reading, then is after walking, after playing badminton or cricket, after climbing stairs. So these are different activities, 5 activities given to you, at which you can check your breathing rate, and you can write it down, and you can note it down, and you can see the difference. So what is the difference in the breathing rate while doing these activities? I hope you have understood external respiration and breathing rate.